Today I will tell you the position vector. Now you know what is vector. It has got magnitude as well as direction. The third one is that it should obey the law of parallelogram. Okay. So now here we come across the position vector. Now this is a position of a point which is at a distance. Its coordinate is x1 and y1. You know what is coordinate. So this is x1, this is y1. Okay. But when we talk about this vector, it will be x1 I cap, where I is the unit vector along x direction and j is the unit vector along y direction. Okay, and also k cap is the unit vector along z direction. Here we have taken the two dimensional. So this is x1i, this is y1j. So if you add this plus this would be equal to this vector. Okay. This plus this vector plus this vector will be equal to this vector. So that we have written here. R vector will be equal to x1i plus y1j. Okay. Now what is the magnitude of R? Magnitude of R is nothing but the distance from 0 to the point x1 square root over of x1 square plus y1 square. This is the magnitude of R vector. Okay. Now in that here if there are 2 points, here is one point, another is another point. Okay, this coordinate of this one is x1 y1, coordinate of this one is x2 y2, and this is the R vector. Please note down that this vector is from here to here. The arrowhead is here. So we can say what is this one. This vector is nothing but, which I have done it here. So it is x2 I cap and y2 j cap. Whenever I will tell I j k, I will omit this word k, cap. Okay, so this is x2i plus y2j, and this is also x1i plus y1j. So this is x2i plus y2j. So what is this vector? This vector is nothing but this vector minus this vector. You know, na? Because this vector plus this vector is equal to this vector. Okay, so this vector will be equal to this vector minus this vector. Here is just. Okay. This we have done it. Now if you do it, x2 minus x1i plus y2 minus y1j, okay, in 2 dimensions. Okay, so you please note that from this point arrowhead is this side. So this point x2 minus x1 into I and plus y2 minus y1 into j, that you have to do it. Where the arrowhead is here, you start with this. Okay, this one. Okay, arrowhead from arrowhead to x2 and y2. Okay, so that's why x2 and y2 will come first, then minus x1 and minus y1. Okay, so what is the magnitude of R vector? this is nothing but the distance between the 2 points. You know, root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This we have done it in the coordinate geometry. Okay. Now we can extend the above 2-dimensional case into the 3-dimension. 3D means 3 dimension, where z will come into the picture. So r vector is equal to this one, x1 y1 j z1 k. So r vector magnitude will be equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. Similarly, for 2 cases, r vector would be equal to x2 minus y1 x1 I plus y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. Here you see, from this point to arrowhead from this point up to this, so this minus this. Okay, so you know the magnitude of r is equal to this. Okay, now if this is the direction cosine of the point x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2, so cos theta x is total is direction cosine, x2 minus 1 is the r vector, cos theta y is y2 minus y1 r vector, magnitude of r vector, and cos theta z is z2 minus z1 by r vector, this one. Okay, so where cos theta 1 x, theta y, cos theta y, and cos theta z are direction cosines of the line AB, A to B. Okay, so thank you. This much for this, for today, this much.